What's up, guys? Company. And have you been trying to straighten your clip-ins like this, like you just holding them and trying to get them straight, and you wondering why they won't get straight? Well, today I am going to show you how to properly straighten your clip-ins. If you have our kinky straight texture or the kinky curly, you've probably had a hard time trying to get it straight. And of course, you don't want to go back outside and then poops right back up because it's been halfway straightened, right? So to get your clip-in straight, you will need a hair holder. I'm using it on a countertop, but you can also put it on your mirror. However, it just needs to be a non-porous surface that the little suction cups can actually stick and hold to it. So here I have the kinky straight texture, and then I have the kinky curly texture. And like I said, you want to only put in one track at a time. If you're putting a whole bunch of tracks in there at one time, you won't be able to evenly distribute the heat to all the strands. So don't put too much hair in it at one time. And take that out. All right, so once you have your hair in, you want to close that there. You want to blow dry the hair, and you want to try to get it as straight as possible before you even try to flat iron it. So now that I've blow dried it, I'm going to start to straighten it. Now, I always highly recommend that you straighten the clip-ins before you even install them in your hair. It will actually be a lot less work and save you a headache by doing this. All right, so now I have my flat iron all the way up to 470. You could use very high heat. As you can see, I'm pulling the hair with tension. And now I'm gonna glide over with my flat iron. I'm really putting a lot of pressure and tension on this iron as I'm doing this. Put my comb here, and then you wanna glide down very slow. If you go over it too fast, you may not get the hair straight enough. So definitely take your time in doing this step. And as you can see how silky straight I was able to get this piece compared to how we started. So let's go ahead and finish this off. Same thing, lots of tension, lots of pressure, like it's all in the wrist. And glide over slowly. So you're gonna need a good wrist and a lot of patience. But your hair is gonna be super cute when you get done. All right, so this is the kinky curly hair that is straight now. Put this one next to it so you can really see how we started. So this is the same exact hair and how it started. So now let's go over the kinky straight texture. And now we have the kinky straight texture, which is in straightened now. And this is what it looked like before. Nice and straight versus from how it started. So you want to repeat this step with all of your tracks. Super easy, your hair will come out amazing, but you have to have your professional grade flat iron and your hair holder. It is really gonna save you a headache. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you follow us on social media, Instagram at Go Sleek Hair. We're also on TikTok at Go Sleek Hair. And you can shop online, all our great clip-ins, hair holder, and flat iron at GoSleek.com. And if you wanna save $50 on your order, click the link below, sign up for our email list so you can save. Thanks for watching.